Hi friends, Kuldeep here. Just come back. So just today we will talk about how to create a Google Workspace G Suite email account and how to set up admin for this process, right? So how to connect the domain as well. So just first process is you have to open workspace.google.com, right? You can see here. Then the site will be open. Now you will need to click start free trial because there are 14 days trial available in the Google Workspace. You can test how email works, no need to pay, right? Just click here. When will you click, then you will redirect here. So just enter your business name, right? Then select you are alone or you have a team, just you, or if you have a team, so accordingly you can select and click next. Then you will redirect like this page. So enter your first name, your surname and current email address. We just enter some test detail, right? Then next. After click next, it will prompt you. You have already domain and you need to buy a new one. If you have already, just click yes, I have already. Otherwise you can select no one, right? We already have, so just we have clicked here. When you will click here, you will need to enter your domain name and enter your domain name. Then it will send a message your current email address. So let me show you like this. So you will get a your exiting email address notification like this, right? And you will also redirect the page Google admin, right? When you entered your domain, right? So you can see here, right? So we entered already detailed here, right? So on the pop-up you can see the right side, it's showing some detail, right? So for we need to verify like ownership of the domain, so just click here the next. It's showing create other different system accounts like something, so you can just click next. And yeah, you just need to click again next. Yeah, so just finish it. Yeah, so now almost done. Now we need to some verification also with our domain portal, right? So you can see it's saying protect your domain so that your domain 5-minute verification, right? So just we need to verify this process as well, right? So now you need to verify your domain, right? So you can see we need to click on protect, right? After click on protect, so you will redirect here. Here you need to enter this detail in your domain portal, right? TXT values. So so we have big rock domain, right? So we enter TXT detail here, right? And just also change TTL 86400, right? And add records. After click on adds, it's saved, right? So you can just click on the verify domain in the bottom, click on the verification. It's in a process now, right? You can see in the bottom it's showing just checking your verification record for this domain, and you can close this tab and just wait for 5 minutes, right? So it will take some time, so just wait, right? So we will, yeah, show you some further update. Okay, now you can see the domain is verified, showing great job, right? So we just need to click continue in the bottom. Now yeah, it's saying okay, choose an account. Suppose I need to click here, right? And need to enter the email. Okay, so this is the main email. Okay, I need to enter the password. Okay, so it's activated, right? So just what we can do, just click, come on the email also, right? So we also need, just let me open the email inbox right now. Yeah, you can see we have login successfully, right? So the email is created, right? So now what we also need to do, we can verify MX code as well for receiving email and send an email, right? So for that purpose we need to update MX record as well, like we did TXT record. So just need to go in the your hosting panel, like this you can see. So we already updated like Google records also, right? So you need to update these 5 records of the Google in your hosting, right? So there is already article, so you can update all MX records in your hosting. So then you will able to receive and send email easily. And if you want to create a user, so you can create a user also. Just click on the manage user tab, and here you can add a user, right? Now for MX records, you just need to go in your manage domain of the admin panel, right? Then you can see activate Gmail here, right? Just click on that. When will you click, then it will redirect here, set up MX records. For email, just click here, next, right? So it will going to refresh the page, and you can also see, yeah, it's activated because we already updated the records, right, in the C panel. Oh, these are the 5 Google records, right? So it's in, yeah, activated. Yeah, thank you.